Kain tayo, guys. This is Henna's Touch dried mixed fruits and vegetables. Tingnan natin. Mushroom. Napaka-crispy niya. Tsaka masarap. Ito my favorite. Okra. Sarap niya. Masarap talaga. Perfect tong pang snacks. Masarap na masustansya.